Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome to my channel once again. My name is Samuel and I'm the owner of the no-cost ad agencies. No-cost ad agency is one of the most biggest ad learning portal that you can learn how to create a effective campaign in your Google ads and Facebook ads, and also you can learn how to promote black hat offer or CPA offer or the offer you want to promote in Google ads that will work actually 100% with a guarantee. So if you want to learn more, make sure to you check out my channel here, and also check out my website and so on. So I'm just going to show you the second part of this particular of the tutorial. So as you can see here, I have posted affiliate link clocking tutorial some days ago. Not even some days, it's 2 hours ago. I just posted it here, and a lot of you guys have been asking me already that where's the cloaker. So you want to get the cloaker because this is insane and this is really working so pretty well. So I'm just going to show you exactly how it works. So if you not check out my last tutorial, so you must have to check out this video so you can understand that how it actually works. So I'm just going to show you another I'm just going to show you the from the last part. So we just in our dashboard here, and we just downloaded to our PHP code to our website, and we just uploaded to our hosting panel. So as you can see here, I have uploaded it as you can see, as you already know that from the last video, that I have uploaded this particular index.php file in my domain folder here. So now I'm going to show you that how you exactly works with the cloaker. So as you can see here, there's a 2 index file here. So one is the cloaker and another one is for the WordPress. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to edit the WordPress cloaker here, and let's see that it exactly the WordPress cloaker. So as you can see here, is defined the US themes. That means whenever you visit the domain, it will show you the by default theme. So this is the one, and I'm just close it here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just rename this to with the WordPress name or any name you want to use. So I'm just going to put it here WP index. That means I can identify that this is exactly the WordPress index here. So I'm just clicking the rename here and let it refresh that it actually works. So as you can see here, this is appear here at WP index. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to edit this, and I'm just going to rename this, and I'm just going to cut off this brushy with the one and rename this file. So what it just happened when you visit the domain, then it will directly to go to this cloaker script. So if I edit this here, so as you can see here, so if I edit this here, so as you know already that from my last video that I have put the white page for google.com and offer page for yahoo.com. So what it just happens, so when you promote this domain and directly to promote this domain to Google ads, so what it just happened that once Google got your campaign, and the Google bot, it just want to check out your domain that it is exactly about your ad text or image. So once they visit your domain, the Google bot will go through this white page. That means they will see that exactly this page is actually okay with your campaign. So what is the main amazing thing is here, that once your campaign got approved, that Google already noticed that your white page is actually good, so they gonna approve your campaign. And whenever the ad start running and the people starting to click your ads, they will go through this page. That means this is the offer page you are just want to promote. So the main amazing thinking is here. So once they once you promote your campaign, and it will works like this. Now a lot of you guys have been asking me that how you create a landing page for Cloaker that actually works. So I'll show you in the next part. And already a lot of you guys have been asking me that about the how you can get this Cloaker. To be honestly speaking, you cannot find this type of Cloaker in the internet, because this is really hidden things in the world, and a lot of affiliate marketer is doing $1,000 of money with this particular Cloaker or the custom Cloaker they made. So this Cloaker is exactly the same things. We have just made it with the custom script here. So as you can see here, this is our dashboard here, and this is a customly built dashboard here with all kind of details you can find here. A lot of things. So good, top, good geo, trash geo, good device, good something else, and blah blah, and a lot of featureable things here. So what I'm just going to say you that if you want to register this Cloaker, I'm just going to give you the 100% of the guarantee that you can make money with this, because this thing works like a crazy. And if you want to get this Cloaker, you can contact with us, because this is we are going to open only 50 spot for the serious affiliate marketer all over the world. So you can grab this opportunity for you, because I'm not going to sell it for 100,000 of spot, because this is going to be spam, and it will going to be patched by Google Ads. So what I'm going to say is that if you want to get this, you can early contact with me and grab your spot. And the most amazing thing is we always give it a weekly, even daily update once Google changed their algorithm with their bots. So we will also change our algorithm with the matching with the Google bots. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, check out the description here, and for my email and Skype, no cost agency@gmail.com. I will see you in the next video with most amazing that how can you build your landing page for your Cloaker that will effectively work. So thank you once again, and goodbye.